CSC 2018. It was exciting. It was informative. It was fun. Over 130 sessions offered educational opportunities across all system platforms.
We want to make sure that we build software that people can use on the go. The biggest hurdle we ran into these days was
We got to unveil some of the innovations we're creating for EdJoin, SACE, and beyond SST.
We have a huge shortage right now of skilled trades.
Temple Grandin's keynote presentation brought us a unique and inspiring look at education. This year's attendees were able to connect with over 30 exhibitors in the education and EdTech fields. CSC 2018 once again raised the bar and proved to inspire, enlighten, and connect educators across all of our major systems.
CEDR is a technical department. We are software developers. We build software that is shared across districts, counties around the state. And that approach has paid more dividends for us than anything else, because to get that input on a large scale like that has really a huge staple in the success that we have.
Next year, CSC 2019 will be even bigger and better.
You guys have got to fight that. Thank you.
From October 2nd through the 4th, we're taking the conference to beautiful Monterey, California, and we're excited to see you there.